Today marks a very special milestone here at Madonna Residences, our very first house turnover of the Rochelle model. The stunning unit is turned over fully furnished, complete with appliances, furniture, and modern finishes, ready for our client to enjoy from day one. We've also extended the kitchen into a clean and spacious cooking area and included a cozy guest room, perfect for family and friends. And one of the standout features of this Royal model is this elegant glass staircase, a true statement piece in the home. With these features, it's no wonder the Royal model has become our best seller here in Madonna. In fact, we only have two units left. So if you've been eyeing this for so long now, now is the time to reserve. Our turnover period is now cut short to 12 months na lang po kasi dati nasa 22 to 24 months ang ating turnover. So if nagmamadali po kayo, pwedeng-pwede na po yan kasi 12 months turnover period na lang po tayo ngayon. Our client, who is originally based in the USA, is truly happy with their new home investment here in Pampanga. And as part of our tradition, we prepared thoughtful house turnover gifts to our dear client. And to our surprise, our dear client gifted us back with a beautiful bag and souvenirs all the way from Guam. We're beyond grateful for your happiness and for your kind review. It inspires us to serve even better. Thank you.